Different ways to make online money. 1. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is the process of promoting other people's goods and receiving money for each purchase made through your special affiliate link. 2. E-commerce. E-commerce is the process of buying and selling goods or services via an online marketplace like Amazon or Alibaba. 3. Online courses and ebooks. Creating and promoting digital goods that convey valuable information or teach others a particular skill. 4. Freelancing. Offering your writing, graphic design, or web development services as a freelancer on websites like Upwork or Fiverr. 5. Online surveys and focus groups. Focus groups and online surveys let you participate in market research projects while getting paid for your time. 6. Investing. Making money through investments in stocks, cryptocurrencies, or other financial items is known as investing. 7. App and software development. App and software development means building and selling computer or mobile applications. 8. Consulting and coaching. Providing qualified counsel or direction to customers or clients online. 9. Social media management. Running social media platforms for businesses and influencers. 10. Online tutoring or teaching. Online classes, lessons, or tutoring sessions, all are offered online. 11. Virtual assistant. Remotely providing clients with administrative or other services as a virtual assistant. 12. Stock photography. Selling your images or movies to stock photography websites is defined as stock photography. It's crucial to remember that earning money online frequently takes a lot of time and work and isn't always a simple or quick procedure. Thanks for watching. Subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon for latest updates.